Hey, if your fish looked fine last night, you cleaned the filter, and this morning they're gasping, hiding, or acting worse, stop before you clean anything else. Sometimes a water change saves fish. Sometimes a rush filter reset makes the tank less stable. The filter may look cleaner, but the aquarium may be less stable. A lot of the bacteria that protect your fish live inside that filter medium. If too much of it was replaced, rinsed, or scrubbed at once, ammonia or nitrite can show up fast. Here's the first payoff. Do not replace more media yet. Add oxygen, keep the filter running, test ammonia and nitrite, then decide what comes next. This does not remove ammonia by itself. It gives breathing support while you find the real problem. The first question is not, what medicine should I add? The first question is, what changed in the water and filter? One pattern I see a lot is someone trying to do the right thing. The tank looks dirty, right? The cartridge looks brown. The gravel has debris. So they do what? They do a big water change, replace the cartridge, clean the filter, and vacuum heavily all in the same afternoon. Hey, each step feels reasonable by itself, but together, those steps can remove too much stability at once. That is why the fish can look worse after the tank looks cleaner. Hey, the filter's not only a piece of equipment, it's also a home for beneficial bacteria. Those bacteria help process fish waste. Fish waste and decaying food can become ammonia. In a stable tank, bacteria helps move ammonia through the nitrogen cycle. If you remove too much of that bacteria at once, the tank can temporarily behave like a new aquarium again. That is the part most beginners cannot see. The water can look clear, the filter can look spotless, but ammonia or nitrite can still be rising. So here's the DBC rule for this situation. Test the water, protect the fish, protect the filter back, then choose the next step. If fish are gasping, add oxygen first. Aim the filter output towards the surface. Add an air stone if you have one. Oxygen does not remove ammonia or nitrite, but it helps stress fish while you identify the real problem. If you just did a water change, confirm the new water has dechlorinator. Chlorine and chloramine can harm fish and filter bacteria, so dechlorinator matters anytime new tap water enters the aquarium. Now, test ammonia and nitrite. Both should be 0. If ammonia is above 0, that is a water quality problem. If nitrite is above 0, that is also a water quality problem. If either number is above 0, do a controlled water change based on the level and how the fish are acting. But do not combine that with another filter reset. That is the biggest mistake. People see stressed fish and start cleaning more. They rinse more media, they replace another cartridge, they scrub the filter again, and they gravel vacuum harder. The intention is good, but it can remove more of the bacteria the tank is trying to rebuild. So here's the decision tree. If fish are gasping, oxygen first. If ammonia is above 0, a controlled water change and protect the filter. If nitrite is above 0, oxygen, controlled water change, light feeding, and daily testing. If the tests are normal, but fish still look wrong, check the temperature, the dechlorinator, oxygen, and visible symptoms before medication. So if only one fish is affected, use a symptoms checker because that may be a whole tank water problem. Recovery usually does not happen instant. In the first hour, breathing may improve if oxygen was the main stress. In the first day, ammonia or nitrite may drop after water changes, and then over 2 to 7 days, the numbers may bounce while the bacteria recover. And over 1 to 3 weeks, many tanks stabilize if the filter keeps running, and feeding stays light, and the remaining media is protected. The prevention rule is simple. Clean for flow, not spotless media. Rinse sponge or biological media gently in old tank water and do not let media dry out. Do not replace every cartridge at the same time unless it's unsafe or falling apart. And then avoid deep cleaning the filter and gravel on the same day. And after major maintenance, test ammonia and nitrite. The goal is not to make the filter look brand new. The goal is to keep the aquarium biologically alive. Hey, if your fish are struggling right now, start with oxygen, ammonia, nitrite testing, temperature, dechlorinator, and filter flux. Then use the full filter bacteria crash rescue guide and the water quality rescue hub on dbcaquatics.com. If you want the emergency order in one page, download the Aquarium Survival Checklist. And if this keeps happening after every cleaning, the Aquarium Rescue Blueprint is the deeper system for learning how to stabilize the tank. Hey, leave a comment with your tank size, temperature, ammonia, nitrate, what you cleaned, and what the fish are doing. Do this in order. Add oxygen, test ammonia and nitrite, protect the filter, and retest. First, we protect the fish. Then we fix the system. That is the DBC rule.